Still up here at the farm, still Monday. This is the second Farm All 140 that I bought at that same auction. Got the cultivators on the front, cultivators on the back. Does have the receiver for the 1-point quick hitch system. Missing a few bolts here and there on the implements. Nothing major. This one is opposite of the other one. It's set up as a positive ground. I gotta try to recover the serial number and do some investigating on it and see what it's supposed to be. Still set up with the Delco Remy generator, still 6-volt, but it is definitely a positive ground. It does start on the starter. Right now the battery is disconnected. This is your governor assembly distributor coil pack. So it's running off of a coil. It's just a little peculiar the way the setup is. I haven't had a chance to open up the gearbox on this one and check oil level, or on the finals. Haven't checked the finals on the other one. I'm sure they're bone dry too. But this one does go through the gears, so we're okay there. It was a 700-mile one-way transport, 1,450 total because we came back to a different location. Cost on transport for two, right at $500. Fuel, one hotel stay. Very long days. Now they're pretty. Tires is decent. Each of them have one new rear tire. I don't know why they put the rears on, or the new rears on both of them. I'll back that up. The one in the barn's got one new, one old. This one has 2 old rears. Slight weather checking, nothing terrible. But again, I have an alternate plan for cultivating when I come to that point, if these things aren't 100%, or at least over 95%. And of course, I'm a little sick too. I don't think I got the Rona. That's what we call it down here in East Texas. But Saturday morning, woke up with a limited voice and some congestion in my upper lungs and in my sinuses. Had a thermometer with me. I got no fever, and probably just a typical cold. Of course, I'm taking my temperature a couple times a day. But that's that one. And it is just a dang muddy quagmire up here at the farm. But it is what it is. Anyway, I gotta head downtown, go to the post office, head to the office. That's all for these. Thank you.